Okay, so we had a question about 11.1, problem number 9. And you're given that MQ is 10, and you're given that NP is 4. And then you're given that this length, MN, is 14. Now, to do this problem, the first thing we have to remember is that our radius hit the tangent lines, which these two lines, RS and QP, are tangent at right angles. That's one of our theorems, that if you got a radius and they intersect a tangent line at a point on the circle, that angle is a right angle. And then we also know that these are radius, MQ and PN, and so that means that RM and SN are 4 and 10. To solve this, the method I gave you on the notes is to draw in a rectangle. Okay, and reason that's a good thing is because if we know that this length right here is 4, then this length over here is also going to be 4. And if that length is 4, then this length right here from this point to here is going to be 6. And then because MN is 14, we end up with this right triangle, and the right triangle looks like this, where this is 14, MN, this is 6, and this is a right angle. And it's a right angle because those angles right there are both right angles, because that's how we drew it in. We drew this rectangle in to gain that distance. And so then it's just a matter of finding 6 squared plus x squared equals 14 squared, which when you solve gives you x is 12.6, right? Subtract the 36 and then take the square root. And then since this length is 12.6, because that length was created as the side of a rectangle, the opposite side must also be 12.6.